Okay, setting up the cameras to film Lee doing the floor. So it's just a bit of me setting up the camera here, shooting down the bus, and here we have Lee taking some photos, getting ready for it with her vegan shirt on. And that's the floor underway. It looks pretty good. Anyway, we'll get some video of it happening, and we'll probably speed it up because you obviously don't watch the whole process, but yeah, we'll do that. Good.
First one down.
Okay, and here's what it looks like before, the rest of it before.
This is measuring our floor.
I'm just using one as a template. These are the halves, so all set like so they don't all line up and look the same. So I'll just use that as a template. The size is right within half a mil, of course, because they're not even. And then we'll just square it, and then we'll cut it. And it goes in the bus. Good thing is you don't have to cut all the way through. You can just get your line, put a scratch mark on it, and then they'll snap. So Lee told me, because I didn't know that. Beautiful.
Beautiful. Right. Hi, so this is our almost completed floor. We're pretty happy with it. We've noticed that in a couple of spots it's sort of coming up a bit, but hey, it's a cheap floor and it's durable. It feels really good underfoot. So if you want to come around and have a look down here. So this is like the completed part. There's still a little bit of finicky bits in the bathroom. And here we have to fix the plumbing before we continue on with that. This is where our shower will go and the toilet's going to go here. We're going to move that in today just to see how it looked and how it fit. But we're feeling pretty tired after yesterday's effort and really quite sore. So we want to spend Sunday afternoon just having a rest. The bus will never get completed if we keep doing that. And the other thing we wanted to get done today was the edge of finish this part off, because during the week I'm going to sand down the benches and put some protective top coat on them, and then Les is going to do the wiring so we can fix all this up, get all the wires up, put these boards back up, and then we can put the doors on. And it's starting to come together and looking nice. Les has gone and done a bit of reconnaissance under the bus and had a look where our tanks are, where our grey water is, what the feed is coming through. We're having a bit of trouble. This is an IKEA tap, and just having them made up. You see on these parts here, they don't quite relate to these, so we have to find some special things to bring them together. Planned out bit that went missing. Yay. So that's about it really. Floor's almost completed, and the next thing we're going to really concentrate on is our bed, because if we have to leave, we've got a place to sleep and then the working kitchen. So that'll get us by, and we'll leave our lounge area till last. We want to get the curtains up. I had a big list today that I wanted to accomplish, and I haven't done that at all because I just so sore. But alright, thanks for tuning in.